really believe that marriage, business, health, pleasure, security, social position, all of that must claim our time. And so we've only given a limited amount of time to devote to our spiritual living. We were wrong. We have only 24 hours a day, and those 24 hours a day must be given to spiritual living. Only in that way are we led to life. Everything else leads to death. We cannot have two kinds of living, only one, spiritual. And this is the inner meaning of seek ye first the kingdom. It means that your entire viewpoint must be spiritual, that you must establish spiritual habits, spiritual insights, spiritual relationships, that you must live spiritually through every minute of every day at home and in the office, until your outer life automatically expresses your inner rebirth. And so I have prepared a systematic daily program, which I hope you will take to heart, a program of contemplative meditation ideas. You might say that they are truth in capsule form, unchanging truth, truth that must be part of your daily consciousness. I think you'll find that these themes, these truth ideas, will enable you to bring spiritual awareness into your normal daily activities and shift emphasis from the outer world as you learn to walk through the outer world while standing firmly in the kingdom of God. I have maybe 10, 12, 15 spiritual exercises for you. I suggest that you hear them all the way through both sides of the tape before you try any of them. And then when you have heard them all, I suggest that you do only one exercise, use one theme per day. Don't use all 10, 12, or 15 of them in a single day. Take one. Take them chronologically. Take the first one first. Make it the activity of the day. And you will see how as we go along. And then when you have used that theme for the first day, take the second theme for the second day, until you have completed all of the themes. And it might take you, let's say, 15 days. And then if you look at them and find that on certain ones you were strong and on certain ones weak, you can, for the next 15 days, repeat the ones that you were weak on, so that you've really got a tape for the month. I mean a tape that you should hear every single day of the month, so that on one day you just hear that first theme. Cut it off after that, go on and do it. The next day, come back, hear the second theme. Cut it off and do it. I think you'll find that after the first week, after having applied one truth per day, you will begin receiving a higher wisdom from a higher source. You'll feel it seeping in. You'll find that your spiritual adjustment within is a very continuing process, that the veil is really thinning, that your outer activities are truly reflecting this new inner adjustment, that Spirit is now going before you, transforming you from the son of a woman to the son of a virgin. So before we start working with these exercises, let's take a moment now of inner rest, which you close your eyes, Come to that place above your mind, your higher consciousness. Just rest there. Just rest in higher consciousness above the mind and wait upon the inner spirit. All right, now let's go into our first theme.